right outside Zion National Park and getting ready to set out on a 4 to 5 week trek to Green River, Utah. Day 1, day 3, day 5, day 7, day 9, day 11, day 13, day 15, day 17, day 19, day 21, day 23, and I'm admittedly a little stinky. All right, morning of day 24. I just broke camp here at the lower end of Pleasant Creek. But before I head out hiking, I wanted to investigate a small cave I saw nearby. It's fairly close to some petroglyphs, so I'm hoping there could be some interesting stuff. Let's go check it out. I bet there's some good stuff. Oh yeah, look at these little rock grinding stones. And another one. So these were used to grind corn and other crops maybe. A lot of sharpening grooves. Used to sharpen tools. Whole collection of stuff here that people have found. Small pieces of pottery. And I missed it on the first pass, but there's some rock art here too. Up right in there. And as always, one heck of a view. Interesting little site. Now it's time to get back to hiking. We have a big day today. So let's go do it. Strange to see, but the bottom end of Pleasant Creek has been diverted for irrigation purposes, I assume. But yeah, looking down on a dry original Pleasant Creek wash, but the water is all over here, running through this little channel. Wow, that's the biggest piece of crystal I've ever found out here. That's amazing. So I'm starting the southern section of what's known as the Beehive Traverse. It's an unofficial name of a route developed by a local guru, Mark Howe, I think is his name. And yeah, it's exciting so far. All right, we have our first pothole with water. All others have been dry, but this is a good sign because this means the bigger, more reliable tanks or potholes should have water, and I won't have to carry so much because I'm carrying over a gallon of water right now from Pleasant Creek. I'm not going to dump it out because that's bad luck, but I will drink a little more freely and hopefully be able to replenish from future potholes. Yay. Check that guy out. Okay, we're coming up into a nice, colorful slickrock bowl of sandstone. Looks pretty cool. So yesterday when I said I wanted to camp up in those notches on the ridge, that's where I set it, right down there. And as you can imagine, I am now up in those notches. Just took the long way around. I just poured out some bad water, and this little lizard comes running over. And now he's drinking it. He's sucking it up. Keep going, buddy. There's a whole bunch down there. Go get it. Go get it. Okay, top of one canyon. Need to contour around a little bit and then down around the notch. Day 24. Is that day yet? Just met another guy hiking the Beehive Traverse. Just kind of shocking. I didn't think I'd see anyone out here. I think he was just as shocked to see me as well. A nice guy from Texas. Oh, what a great little top canyon. But we are around the bend now. We're up to the bend, and now we can finally see what's ahead of us going down the next canyon. And out in the far distance, you can actually see where I'm hiking for the next few weeks. Up towards Black Mountain, less than touch of desert, and the San Rafael Swell, all out there on the horizon. More immediately though, we got to go down this canyon and then keep heading up the reef. Quite a few down there. Looking down into Waterpocket Canyon. So we have to climb all the way down and then climb back up later on the far side. All right, here we go. Okay, I got to follow this ridge line all the way down and then go back up canyon. Seems so out of the way, but it's got to be done. Some nice views of the Henrys over there. Okay, we're in Capitol Gorge now, walking up canyon to get to the little side canyon where we're going to start the next part of the traverse. All right, let's keep it going. I'm not going to go to the Pioneer Registry farther up the canyon, but there's some historical markings here. This one's 1899. Can't quite make those out. It's where we were a few hours ago, way up on top of that ridge. Fortunately, there's no shortcut from there to here, but we've walked a long way around and now we get to go up this way. Okay, here's the first obstacle on the northern part of the traverse. This big dryfall. Got to pick your way up through the talus slope and then across. It looks super sketchy from here, but I'm hoping it's not going to look as bad when I get up there. The guy I talked to who just finished the traverse said this was the hardest part, so we'll see. At least we'll get it done first if that's the case. It looks so utterly impossible from down here. Okay, let's get up and take a closer look. This is a tough one. This talus field is just not very stable at all. So you gotta be really careful with every step. I'm about level with the dryfall now. I still don't see exactly how we're gonna get across, but we're gonna find out real soon, I hope. Okay, I am up over the talus slope. You can see down there. It was a beast. It was pretty tough. Lots of loose boulders. Definitely not for the squeamish. I haven't checked out the ledge yet. The ledge is a little bit bigger than it looked like down there. Actually, there's two ledges. I'm not sure which one is right. I'm going to check out this one first without the pack, so you can come with me. This route looked so impossible from down below. If I was exploring routes, I don't think I would have even tried it. Oh, bush in a bad spot. Okay. Nice wide path. Really, from down there, this thing looks 6 inches wide. I mean, I'm not done yet, but I feel fairly confident that this is the route. Yep. Connect down to the canyon. Wow, that's a good one. Definitely not for those fearful of heights. Ooh. Okay, let's go get the backpack and do it for real. Day 24. Okay, over the big dry fall and continuing up the canyon. I gotta admit, that got my heart racing. It was a little bit sketchy, but I feel good knowing that it's one of the hardest things and I'm past it. All right, let's keep going. Okay, we're going this way. That's the top of the Golden Throne up there. We're headed towards it and then to the right. This really is a beautiful area. It's nice. Whew. Takes some work though. We have reached the infamous Buttcrack Canyon. Check it out. Named as such by the route pioneer, Steve Howe. Okay, let's go get into Buttcrack. Let's go inspect the crack first without all our gear. I just want to get a closer look at it. I thought the crack was going to be a lot larger. I was a little bit scared about a prolonged crack. I mean, even this is going to be tough with the big pack. It's going to take a little bit of work, but definitely doable, I think. I mean, it has to be. I might make 2 trips out of it. We'll see. Okay, here we go. Okay, we are nearing the top of the Buttcrack. It's a slow process. And this isn't even with the pack. All right. That is going to be tough with the big pack. But I don't know, this stuff was pretty awkward too, so here we go. It's a whole different challenge with the bag. I'm having to push this up just like 3 feet at a time and then chimney up to it. But it tips, so the whole time I have to kind of keep a hand on it to make sure it doesn't tumble all the way down the Buttcrack. This is tough, but I gotta say I'm relieved because I thought this was a lot bigger and a lot longer, which would have been really hard. Okay, back to it. I can't run the camera while I do it, so you're just gonna have to trust me that I'm making it happen. Success. Man and all gear are atop the Buttcrack. Oh man, that was a lot of work. That was tedious. There's a reason to go ultralight. Big pack and that do not mix. All right, let's go a little bit farther and then we're gonna call it a night in camp. Okay, gonna call it a night here. Set up camp right at the top of Buttcrack Canyon. Looking way out there, it's cool. You can see the, I forget the name of it. It's the shadow of the earth. That dark purple band that you see on the opposite horizon when the sun's going down, or when the sun has gone down. It's pretty cool. Okay, this is where I'm gonna make home. Just a little flat area next to a couple pine trees. Got some water filtering and should make for a happy home for the night.